my name is Ezekiel. Welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to do 3 different paper airplanes today. Here's how to do the first paper airplane. You take the paper, you fold it like this, and when you're folded like this, after you fold it back here, this is the hard part. You take the 2 sides and after you push it in to do this kind of thing. And after you fold here and here. After you take this side, you bring it up here. After you fold this side, and now you fold this side too. When you're done folding these 2, you fold this right here, this. And after you fold this here, after you fold this one here, after you fold it here, you turn it, you fold it here. After now you fold it another time, fold here too. And after you're done your first good airplane. This is your first airplane. You can throw it hard how you want and look how it landed over there. This is your second airplane. You fold it right here, and after you fold here like this, you can do it. It's a little bit hard. And after you fold here like this, and after you open your paper, you fold it here, and after you fold here. When you're done doing that, you fold it here, and after you fold it here, and after you fold it here, and after you're done your second airplane. Here's your second airplane. Let's throw it. Now we're going to do the third and last airplane. Now you fold it here, and after you do this, and after you open it, you do this, and after you fold it here again, and after you fold like this, and after you can do wings like this, the next one like this. Now you're done your third airplane. This is your third airplane. Let's throw it. Woo. These are your 3 airplanes. I like this one because it goes the farthest. And this one, if you want to throw it, you have to throw it hard. And this one I like it because you see the design of the wings. These, you can change the design and it will make it like, if you change the design of your wings, it will do other things. And when this one I like it because it got like, you see the wings too are beautiful. And it's very cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.